Your garage door is more than just an entry point. It's a part of your home's security, functionality, and style. But what happens when it breaks down? Don't let a malfunctioning garage door ruin your day. Welcome to Easy Garage Door Repair, your trusted local experts serving Houston and surrounding areas in Texas. At Easy Garage Door Repair, we understand the frustration of dealing with garage door issues. That's why we offer fast, reliable, and affordable services tailored to your needs. Whether it's a broken spring, a misaligned track, or an unresponsive opener, we've got you covered. Our certified technicians use the latest tools and technology to diagnose and repair your garage door issues quickly. Plus, we only use high-quality parts to ensure your door operates smoothly for years to come. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of what we do. We pride ourselves on transparent pricing, honest advice, and professional service that you can rely on. Just ask our satisfied customers who trust us to keep their homes secure and their garage doors running perfectly. Serving all of Houston and the surrounding areas, we understand the unique challenges that come with Texas weather. From heat and humidity to storms and power outages, your garage door faces it all. That's why we offer specialized services like weather sealing, hurricane preparedness, and insulated garage door insulation. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding costly repairs. Tightening bolts, lubricating hinges, and checking sensors are small steps that make a big difference. And if you ever need expert help, just give us a call. Your home deserves a garage door that's dependable, secure, and stylish. With Easy Garage Door Repair, you get top-notch service you can trust. So why wait? Call us today or visit our website to schedule your repair or installation. Easy Garage Door Repair, making garage door problems a thing of the past for Houston and beyond. Your trusted partner